for us, we moved into products and manufacturing products only after COVID, before which we were an R&D-focused and an IP-focused company. And during COVID, we identified the problem of sample collection in India because the cold chain network is fragmented and the quality of the samples are compromised during transport from tier 2 cities to the testing centers. So we tried to solve this problem and came up with Azooka's molecular transport medium for COVID-19 sample collection, and we've scaled up from 0 to 1 million units in less than 3 months time and got ICMR approvals in less than 30 days. So that's what we did, and actually COVID helped us evolve from a IP based company to a real manufacturing company making products that touched 1 million lives. So in the beginning, I was really skeptical because Converge. I thought that Converge didn't have anything to do with biotechnology or the kind of technology that I was building. But it really amazes me that the focus of the event has been very diverse, including technologies like EV and biotechnology. So it has been a great experience being here. The most hospitable event has been people walk the extra mile to take care of you. So if I have to quote one example, so my cabs were arranged well ahead in time, and I had an escort when I had to go back home later than 8 in the evening, which I didn't expect. So it's been a great experience, and the sessions were really amazing and interesting. So quite a intellectually stimulating event, I would say.